Are we ready to talk about the big move? I just like doing those sort of weird, like, fun things. Here it is.
This is our bedroom.
Come on, Joey.
Yeah. Guess.
And I did that entire thing without the mic on.
Just like.
All right. This is an outfit option. I'm doing a kind of impromptu photo shoot. It's obviously a maternity photo shoot. It's like actually honestly a little late. Like usually you're supposed to do your maternity shoots before you're like this gigantic. You know, we did that one with the crowns like way back when I was like 20 something weeks. And now I'm 30, what am I, 36 weeks? But I just wanted more pictures with the big bump. I want some more pictures with Moon and with Joey before we're a family of 4. Do you like the easel here in front of the couch?
Once we put the canvas on, it'll be a better.
Sally, like
Chris is back! Yay!
Chris has got all these reflectors set up outside. We're doing like a studio setup where I'll be like painting, but it obviously like stylized, a little kind of like 60s vibe. You think plants or like what if it's like
Something art or like
Yeah,
kind of
art.
out of place.
He's covered with pink paint.
I know, I've got to go take a quick rinse from the boobs down. But I think it's worth it. I just like doing those sort of weird, like, fun things. And then we've got Moon and Joey here, some flowers. I think we just do like a simple backdrop. Actually, can you take off all these things from this cork? Ew, yeah. What are you doing? Chris, thank you.
Yes.
Yay!
See the juggles. So stoked and excited.
He said that he just did photos with his friend, maternity photos, and then she went into labor. So
Oh, nice.
hopefully he's a good luck charm.
No, we're not ready yet.
Oh yeah,
We
yeah,
still got
that's
too
true.
much cleaning and stuff to do.
And the nursery is like nowhere near done. So yeah, pause.
All right, guys, it's time to play a little game called What's in the Box? Guesses? What's in the box?
It's a cake!
Not just any cake. Watch this.
Hello, my lovely people. I want to tell you about today's sponsor, Send a Cake.
Mother's Day is right around the corner. Have you gotten the mom in your life something yet?
We're helping spread the word about our friends over at sendacake.com.
It's all prepackaged, ready to, well, explode with fun. And of course, it includes a delicious dessert and it's delivered right to your door. Like this amazing Garden Mother's Day Explosion box.
It's a 3-layer explosion box loaded with paper butterflies that fly out and faux flowers that cascade down.
It's obviously not just for Mother's Day, it's the perfect gift for anyone you want to celebrate.
So make sure you check out all the options on sendacake.com. And of course, we have a discount code for you. So when you check out, use Mr. Kate as the code for 10% off. Hey, do you guys want to see us do a room makeover right before I get this baby out of my belly? We got a video from Stephanie, who is a mom of 3 And her husband is pursuing his doctorate in marine biology. He's busy. She's working mom at home, and her bedroom needs serious help. It is a small room with a lot going on, which I know a lot about small things with a lot going on.
This is our last makeover that's at someone else's house before baby comes.
But we couldn't pass it up because, like, I'm nesting right now, and the situation is just, we have to help her. So this will be part of the nesting that's going on. Yeah. Okay, here it is.
This is our bedroom. This is
All right,
where
come
I
on,
feel like
Joey,
we
get
spend
in
a lot
here.
of
Okay,
time.
so basically, you come in this door and then
Yeah.
go straight through their hallway to the kids' room
And the bathroom.
and the bathroom. I see the projector. Is that like taped, or it's just
Oh my gosh.
literally being held up by a tension rod?
No, my husband's really good at balancing this.
So there's
That tells me a lot
no-
about your guys' personalities.
Okay, because
Yeah.
you're projecting from there
Yes,
over to this wall, but laying
exactly.
this way.
Yeah, and we all fit. Like all
Yeah.
5 of us.
You
we
fit, but you don't have anything to like lean on.
No, we don't. Well, actually, how
Oh,
it works
yeah.
is Dad's by the wall, and then the girls, and then I'm on the chair.
Oh.
Okay.
So we thrifted this years ago.
Yeah, no, it's a
and
cool
really
old
cool.
metal
And
desk.
it's really
Tell me what you do. You're a
surface pattern designer.
Super
a surface
cool.
pattern designer.
Yeah.
That's so cool. So, did you design all of these?
This is my first ever collection by myself.
Oh my gosh, how
Yes.
cool! This is where you do it all, like where
Yes.
you come up with the stuff.
Yes, I sketch here, I do my designs on my computer, I print here.
But I do see the issue here that if
Yes,
you're here in the
I'm here.
hallway,
And especially when my husband comes by, it's like, okay,
Yeah.
I gotta move all the way.
yeah, squeezing
Go through.
truly by is
Yeah.
one thing, but
Yes.
a 6'3" dude trying to, I get it. This is an important spot. You're very neat. Is this a usual thing?
No.
Okay.
Not at all.
She cleaned up for us. Wait, one last question.
Yes.
This quilt, what's the story?
My mother-in-law made this quilt,
I
and
figured it was handmade.
it was like in the works for a really long time. My husband, it was supposed to be like his
Baby quilt?
blanket,
She
I
just
guess,
kept making
yeah.
it bigger and
Yeah,
bigger?
so made it for both of us. But yeah, it is really precious.
Yes, of
Yeah.
course.
It doesn't fit though.
Okay, sorry husband, the quilt's gotta go. It doesn't fit.
Well,
Maybe
we
just
can
a
maybe,
little
we could, what if
on
it's
the
an
ends.
accent?
Yeah.
Joey, stay in your lane, sir. Okay,
Okay,
cool.
cool.
Well, I'm excited.
We get measurements.
Okay,
Let's
okay.
do it, Kelly.
Yeah!
Whoa.
Okay, we're out of practice. Are you filming my entrance? Are we ready to talk about the big move?
Let's talk about it.
Let's talk about it. Because we said we're moving, and we are,
We are moving
but
this series from our main channel to our members area.
this series being the creative life because it has been sort of a creative experiment we've been doing, and it seems like some of you are confused by it. Maybe that like you'd rather have like our usual traditional makeover videos and stuff like that, so we're trying to figure out how we can keep doing both and not confuse our channel and the people following our channel and you guys and everything.
Basically, we're gonna keep doing our makeover videos, our big reveal videos that you guys love. So many of you love what we've become known for. We're gonna keep doing those, and we're really excited to do those. We just literally shot one this weekend that was awesome. You guys are gonna love it. That's coming out next week. We want to keep making the creative life videos, but not confuse the whole ecosystem. So we're gonna keep making them, but we're gonna do it on the members area.
To me, it's sort of like the next generation or next version or whatever of our vlogs that we used to do for our members channel, but they're not gonna just be like straight up vlogs. It's gonna be this creative life format where like it really is about finding those, creative inspirations, living your life creatively. What does it mean to apply creativity to like so many aspects of your life?
To us, that series is for like our ride and dies, our long time creative weirdos out there, and like it costs because it's in our member area, but it's $1.99 a month. So like literally a pack of gum a month, and
$1 Pack of gum.
You
I
can
feel like a pack of gum is
keep
probably
coming on the creative.
more than that now.
Yeah. The good thing is this should technically enable there to be even more content coming out because, like I said, we're going to be producing those big makeovers
Yes.
on the channel that are going to be just free in the main feed. And then if you're a memby, you can also get the Creative Life
A
series.
memby, our membies, the people who are still membies and have been membies, you guys are amazing, and I'm so glad that we're gonna be like bringing stuff back to that side.
Yeah, I mean,
of
you
things.
get more than just the videos when you're a member. You get like you've probably seen people in the comments when they have like paintbrushes next to their name. That's because they're a memby. And you
We
get like
need to
more
do
color
more
on your
of
brush as it goes, and you get custom emojis. We do members only posts, and we do some shout outs. Let's shout out some members right now.
Ooh, Passion for Melodies. Passion for Melodies, thank you for being one of our...
Andy Albrecht.
My mom! Mom, shout out.
Linda Sav. Big shout out to Linda Sav.
And Sherry Nimmons.
Those are some rainbow members, guys. Thank you so much for being a part of the membies, and members area is about to get so much better. We're really excited to keep making it. And
Yeah.
we're really excited to keep making like makeover videos.
Yeah, we just want it to be more organized for you guys.
All you lovely creative weirdos out there that want to keep going on the creative life journey with us, go hit the join button. It's not the subscribe button, the join button on our channel, or click the link in the description. You can sign up for your membership level, and all it is $1.99 a month, and you get access to all the videos.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so we'll see you guys over on the members area for the new Creative Life, and also we have a huge makeover video coming out next week as well.
It's so satisfying, and Stephanie's so sweet. Okay. Yay. Thanks for listening.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Stay creative, stay weird, stay you. Because why not? Bye.
All right.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's wonderful. I like that.